Alright, Mama CIE VT here. I'm gonna do a quick tutorial video for the stream to earn. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go to the website just in case you guys don't have it. You're going to go to stream to earn. And it's the first one. It's stream to earn IO, which is this first one right here. So we're going to click on that. And on here, you're going to click download for Windows, or you can hit download up here. So whichever two works for you guys. And for me, you're gonna save as, and then put it in whichever folder you want to download it into. So what I am going to do is I'm gonna go in here, and I'm gonna go into my downloads, and I'm gonna download it in there. Alright, for some reason it didn't like that one. Alright, so we're gonna go here instead and save it. So the download for Windows, from whatever reason, it's probably because of my whatever I have on my computer that defends my computer. Let's see here. You sure you want to trust? Yes. Report this file as safe. Yes. It's safe. Alright, so let's do this real quick. Because it is safe, because I've downloaded it I don't know how many times. Alright, so once you download it, you put it in your folder, and then you're going to install it into your computer. And once you install it on your computer, you're going to have a little icon like this one. So all you have to do is click on it and open it. And this is what you're going to get. Alright, so once you go into here, you're going to go into presets. And in presets is where you're going to decide which, I have Valheim as well. So you can have multiple different games. But you have all the games on the side here to choose from. So choose the game. So it could be, it doesn't have to be 7 Days to Die. It could be Minecraft, GTA, GTA 5, GTA Legacy, 7 Days to Die, Valheim, Raft, Core Keeper. So they have lots of games here. Even Repo is in here as well. So this, and Lethal Company is in here too as well. So you're going to select the 7 Days to Die, and that will load up in yours. So once you select it, it's going to load up everything that's in there. You can change these, and I'll show you in a minute. Once you do that, it will show you connect to server, and this is once you have everything, your stream is going, and then you're going to connect it once you're streaming. But to adjust this and add it to your folder, you're going to hit edit preset. And in edit preset, you're going to look up here. It's going to ask you where to install the mod, because it's a mod that you have to install. So you're going to select your directory and confirm yes. So it's going to open up your folder directory. So mine is in this folder here. So I'm going to show you. So I'm just going to go to my drive. I'm going to find Steam. So here is Steam. You're going to open that. Once Steam is open, you're going to go to Steam Apps, which is this right here. Once you're in Steam Apps, next folder you're going to click on is Common. And then in here, you're going to find your 7 Days to Die folder. So I want to put it in the regular one. So I'm going to click 7 Days to Die and then select this folder. That's it. You don't have to open the folder. So just select the folder and this will automatically put that Stream to Earn mod into that folder, into the mod folder. And you do this with every single 7 Days to Die folder that you have. If you have Darkness Falls, Rebirth, so you can add to all of those. And you just do the same thing. So since you have it open, if it's in here, just click on it, select, and then go back to it, collect the folder, and then select, and it will add it to each one. Once you select, I might as well just put it on here because I kind of opened it. 7 Days to Die, Common. So I'm going to click on here, and then I'm going to select the folder. Once you hit the select folder, you're going to install mod. And you're going to click yes. And that's it. It's already in there. So once that is done, you're going to save the preset. And then that's it. It's if you don't want to change anything that's down here, that kind of comes automatically, then you can just leave it as is. But if you want to change it, go back to Edit Preset. And then you're going to go into what you want it to do. So if you click here, you can choose anything that's here, what you want it to do exactly, and then you save it. And then over here, what you want it to spawn. Sometimes it doesn't have the pictures, so you may have to find the pictures to put in here. So here I put Spawn Zombie and Zombie Party Girl. I could not find a picture of the zombie girl in the 7 Days to Die folder with the samples. So I had to go online and make a PNG file of a photo. So I downloaded a photo and then kind of enhanced it and took the background out. And then downloaded it into my file and then uploaded it here. So if you don't have the picture, for example, you just click here and then My Images. And then you're going to go into Upload Image to wherever you save the image. So right now here I have, these are the 4 images that I downloaded and saved and cropped. So these are the ones that I have. Once you select the image, that's it. You just select on it, and she's going to be right there. And then you hit save. And then you do the same thing with the other ones. And this one is likes, so you go click likes, how many likes until it spawns the zombie. So you put it down here, save. And then this one is, I selected for the likes to heal me. So the likes will heal. But you can change this. It could be anything that you want it to be. It could be another zombie. And then you can just select the folder. So here, these are the ones that I selected. And then the type of zombie. And then you can have multiple actions down here. Like it can be, like, for example, the random one. This random zombie. So it could be a lab zombie, or I believe you can add one. Oh, this one you can't. Okay. So there's some of them that you can add more than one. So it spawns more than different ones for you. So that's basically it. Once you have uploaded everything that you want, the way you want it, you can even add sounds on the side here as well. So if you click here, you can add different sounds or look for whatever sounds you want to put down so you know what the gift is. So you know which one it is. And then you hit the sound, it will add it here, and then you can even test it out.
I love you.
So that one's the I love you one. And that's basically it. The heal one, I don't have an audio for it. Which is kind of strange. So I'll add that later. But once you have everything in here, you save the preset and everything's good. And then it's going to show up here. Once that is done, you're going to copy the URL that's up here. You're going to copy it and you're going to put it into whatever you're using, either your TikTok Studio or I'm not sure if you can use this on Twitch. I may have to test that out. But you make a link, you go to your, you click on it. Let me open up the Twitch Studio, and then I can show you how you add it here. So if you know how to add it, you know, then just do it. But this is for the people that don't know. Once you have this open, and you copied that link, you are going to go over here on this side and you are going to there should be something here that it tells you to add a source, and then you're going to hit link, add, and then you're going to copy and paste that link here. Make sure to hit custom resolution for 800 by 600, because if not, it won't show up on the screen. And then hit add source. Once you add the source, it will show up here. So let me hold on a second. So it will show up on the screen. Hold on. Let me see. Where is the thing? And start server. And then it should show up on the stream. But because the game is not on, it's not showing up. Alright, so I'm going to... So there it is. So it will show up there, and then you can put it anywhere on your screen. So I hope this helps. So, anything else that you want done, just let me know. And then we will do another video for anything else that you guys want to see next. Alright, have a great day, everybody. I'll see you guys later. Mama C out. I'll see you guys in the next one.